Hi, welcome to Golden Eagle VPN, the cheapest VPN ever. It's fast, secure, and easy to use. Golden Eagle VPN provides flexible VPN solutions to secure your data communications. Just all of what you need is to create a new account and download the Golden Eagle VPN file that you will use it to connect from any device. Either Android, macOS, Windows, Linux, and iOS, using the OpenVPN Connect software to secure your connection. You will find more details about the steps here. Let's get started with Golden Eagle VPN. You can click on pricing to find and compare between the different plans from here. Choose which plan you like, then you can create an account first by clicking on register from here, then log in and start buying the file. Or you can return to the home page and start directly from here. It's only a few steps. Choose your plan. Enter your account info. Choose payment option. You can choose between PayPal or credit card. Let's go with a credit card. The system will redirect you to a secure page that you need to enter your payment credentials through it, and after payment done successfully, it will return you back to the website. And here it's your Golden Eagle VPN file. Just remaining to download the OpenVPN Connect software over your device from here. You can download it over your mobile or laptop and use the same file to secure your connection. Here this is the steps for importing the file using OpenVPN Connect software. And that's it. Now you can enjoy a secure communication with Golden Eagle VPN. We are sending also email for you contains all the details and you can download your file again from here. Golden Eagle VPN is fast, secure, and easy.